G'day folks, and welcome to another art journal video where I talk about my art, my process, and also talk about my creativity, insights, and what I've been up to lately. So in my last video I talked about starting a website and having an online shop where I can sell my art through a print-on-demand service. I haven't fully decided where I'll sell my art, but I'm looking at either Shopify or Squarespace. I'm doing a little bit more research on that, and hopefully I'll come to a decision sooner or later. I do have some good news that I'd like to share with you guys. I approached the manufacturer that creates enamel pins, and I've designed an image of my art to be turned into my first enamel pin. So I've sent that off to the manufacturer and it's in production at this time. So hopefully in the next month I'll be receiving my first product that I can sell with my art on it. I'm looking forward to it actually. I won't reveal any images of the pin just yet, but I have seen the process photos from the manufacturer and it does look great. I have to admit it does seem weird looking at your design represented in physical form. I'm really looking forward to finally getting these pins in my mailbox. I've also been very busy designing the background cards for the pins, which has taken me more time than I thought, but it'll be worth it in the end. Just a reminder guys, if you like this kind of content, then please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos in the future. I also have other videos that you might be interested in, which I'll leave a link at the end of this video for you. This particular image that I'm drawing was based on Snow White. I heard on the newsfeed that Disney is creating another live action Snow White movie, but this time they're using a dark-skinned girl, which I found quite unusual considering that the reason Snow White is called Snow White is because of her pale skin. So I thought that was quite odd for Disney to go that direction. So this is probably why I'm drawing an image based on Snow White. I guess it was percolating in my mind, thinking about the reasons behind Disney and the direction that they're taking. Just my opinion, but I think Disney is losing a lot of respect from the fan base with the diversity direction that they're heading. Let's face it, Disney has a lot of money and they can create a lot of original content instead of going back to the intellectual properties where they rehash and gender swap and be racial diverse. Instead of doing that, they can create original stories and put those kind of people in those stories instead of having to destroy a fan base centered around those old and trusted stories that people have grown up with. But that's just my own opinion and I'm not too worried. It doesn't affect my life too much. I just think it's a shame for people to change something for change's sake. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed watching me fill another page in my sketchbook and talk about my art journey. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button. I do appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, have a great day and enjoy being creative.